Is this the boldest BMW ever created? A futuristic design, a revolutionary interior, and a glimpse into the future of BMW M. This is the BMW M concept Neue Klasse. Let's take a closer look. Hello everyone, I am Miraj and you are watching Axelthor Media. Today we are talking a closer look at the BMW M concept Neue Klasse. Number 1. Exterior design. What if the future of BMW M was powered by petrol but look this good? This is the BMW M concept Neue Klasse and it's far more than just another concept car. It's BMW's vision of the next generation of high performance driving. At the front, the design is clean, sharp, instantly recognizable. The iconic kidney grille has been completely reimagined, setting seamlessly alongside slim LED headlight to create a bold new face that's unmistakable BMW. The sculpted bonnet with stance and muscular wheel arches give the car a powerful presence. Even standing still, it looks ready to launch down the road. Move to the side and the proportions are beautifully balanced. A long wheelbase, short overhang and flush door handle create a sleek modern profile, while the large alloy wheel reinforces its sporting character. Around the rear, the full LED light signature gives the concept Neue Klasse a distinctive look after dark. The clan surfaces and wheel track complete a design that feels purposeful rather than overcomplicated. There's nothing here that feels unnecessary. Every line, every curve, and every detail has been designed with precision, blending aerodynamic efficiency with the unmistakable BMW M DNA. Modern, confident, the future of performance design. Number 2. Interior design. Step inside and the information continues. The cabin is clean, spacious, minimalist, proving that modern luxury doesn't have a feel completed. The dashboard is dominated by digital technology, yet everything remains focused around the driver. The central display is positioned perfectly, keeping every important focusing function within easy reach. But the rear highlight BMW panoramic vision instead of the relying on a traditional instrument cluster. Key driving information is projected across the base of the windscreen, creating a futuristic cockpit. The feels both impressive and intuitive. The newly designed steering wheel looks modern and purposeful, while the premium material and clean architecture create an interior that feels every bit as sophisticated as the exterior. Despite being a concept, nothing feels unrealistic. Instead, it offers a believable preview of BMW's future interior design, combining advanced technology, premium craftsmanship, and a driver-focused layout into one beautifully designed space. If this is the future of BMW M, it's certainly an exciting one.